Hey, look, the gates are going down. Oh, that's why.
What?
Man, he ain't honking.
Honky,
He can't.
why?
80-60.
I got textbook throw on that one.
Never mind, he's allowed to honk his horn.
Look how long it is.
I thought I smelled diesel. That's him puffing the smoke.
That's far.
It says no train horn, he still honks anyways. I don't know, I've never seen a CSX. That's what that train
How
was.
long is it?
I don't know, I've never seen a CSX train before. Only Norfolk Southern, and they're a piece of craps.
I don't back full.
I just upgraded mine.
No train horn. Meanwhile, he's still, oh, there's
Look
one.
how long.
It's a local if he's only got 2 engines and SD40-2s.
How long it is.
Oh. Oh.
Car.
I thought I smelled diesel.